Thank you for using DevStride Strategic Portfolio Management. We highly recommend you complete this Getting Started guide for easy and efficient onboarding. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a strategic map of your organization, organize your strategic map by value stream, and configure analytics to match these value streams. The Organize module is where business leaders go to build a strategic map of their organization. An enterprise portfolio contains a collection of the organization's integrated business units or value streams. The top-level folders of your enterprise create the strategic outline of your organization. They reflect the core business units or value streams, forming the first layer of your strategic map. A value stream represents the process flow, the map that takes a product, program, investment, or initiative from a current state to a future state until it reaches the customer. A single value stream is represented by the full hierarchical path from a work item back to the root folders. DevStride automatically configures an analytics framework to match the value streams in your organization's portfolio. Here's how it works. Click the Add Value Stream button to add a new top-level business unit or value stream to DevStride. Excellent. In just a few short clicks, you can secure the top-level value streams and solidify the strategic outline of your organization. Continue using the Add Value Stream button to create as many top-level programs as you need. Next, we'll use nested folders to further define the value streams inside the organization. Click on a value stream to open it. Value streams contain folders. Each folder represents a new layer in the value stream map of your organization. Click the Add Folder button to continue building out this value stream. Type the name of your folder and press Enter to save it. Folders can be nested indefinitely to build a full strategic map of the value delivery chain. The more complex your value stream is, the deeper the hierarchical map may need to go. Continue nesting folders as needed to chart even the most complex value streams. Use the Add Folder button to continue building the map. You can drag and drop folders to rearrange them as necessary. Once a value stream is fully mapped, you can create work items inside your folders. Items represent a single unit of assignable work. Click the New Item button to add a work item. You can think of items as leaves in the value stream tree. Items offer users a dedicated workspace for tying collaboration and effort to a specific unit of work. You've built your first value stream map in DevStride. Let's review. The Organize module is where business leaders come to build a strategic map of their enterprise. An enterprise is a collection of integrated business units or value streams across your organization. Root folders are organized around your distinct business value streams and can contain an unlimited number of nested folders. Folders are nested layers that make up part of the delivery chain. Folders can contain subfolders or work items. Work items represent a single unit of assignable work. Items are the leaves in the value stream tree and offer a workspace for all collaboration and effort to be tied to a specific unit of work. A value stream represents the process flow or the map that takes a product, program, service, or initiative from a current state to a future state until it reaches the customer.